Hey everyone, Mixiena is back with another tutorial. If you would like to see how I achieve this ultraviolet / pink look, make sure to stay tuned and keep watching. Alright you guys, so we're going to get right into this tutorial. I'm very excited. This is the look that I will be recreating for you today. It's absolutely beautiful. For the first product, I'm going to dip into my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to be grabbing the shade Amethyst and going straight into my crease. I'm going to be using a few of the new ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. The first beautiful shade I'm going to be going into is called Dare. I already swatched it a little, as you can see, but it's beautiful and the formula is just wonderful. I'm going to put a little bit of MAC Fix Plus onto my brush here. My brush into my shadow and start to deepening that dark purple. More of the purple effect, I'm going into my NYX Ultimate Palette. I'll be picking this purple here and the little like pinkish purple next to it and mixing them together. Next, I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm going to go ahead and do about 3/4 of the eye so I can bring in that ultraviolet. Next color I'm going to be using from ColourPop is Slave to Pink. Again, a really beautiful creamy formula. I'm going to try a finger application. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild. I'm going to put on my lashes and I will be right back. For moisturizer, I'm using the Tree Hut Skincare Protecting Daily Moisturizer. It has sunscreen with an SPF of 30 and this is the smell Refining Rose. And I kind of just like to put that on always before my foundation. It helps so that my skin doesn't feel dry throughout the day. And it won't feel like my foundation is breaking apart. For foundation today, I am going to be using Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. This guy right here is full coverage. I love it. I am in the shade Leches 320G. So I just like to shake this guy up and I like to pour it onto my hand. Okay, I'm already running out. That is so sad. And I'm just going to be grabbing my Morphe sponge and dabbing it into the foundation. And I always start on my cheeks. I don't know why. It's just how I like to do my makeup. And I just start on my cheeks and start blending out. For concealer, of course, gotta use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this is in the shade Medium. Under my eyes, I'm going to be using the RCMA No Color Powder. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs Coco Deep Powder. And I also like to use this as a tool for contour. bronzer, I'm going to be using my RCMA powder once again. My blush for today is from the Sephora collection, and it is Passionate number 23. One of my highlights is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this is the Royal Calyx 324B. To intensify my highlight, I'm going to be using the Cover FX drops in Halo, and because they're liquid, they're a little harder to blend in. So what I like to do after I put it on above my original highlight is I grab my beauty blender to blend out the lines. I'll also be adding a couple of the drops on my inner corner of the eye. Back in with the NYX Ultimate Palette, I'm going to be using a mix of the purple and the blue to intensify the look under my eyes and create more of a dramatic effect. I'll also be adding a coat of mascara to the bottom lashes. For my waterline, I'm going to be using Basket Case from the new Kat Von D collection and applying this directly onto my waterline and darkening it to my liking. I decided to change up my lip a little bit. I decided to go with the Gerard Cosmetics Grape Crush and then the Lime Crime Mercury. And then I just created a little bit of an ombre look, and I think I like this a lot better than the original colors. Alright everybody, this is the finished look. I want to thank you so much for stopping in to check out this tutorial. If you like what you see, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I will also link down my Instagram and my Facebook, so make sure to go ahead and subscribe and like those pages as well. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye!